Besties, table numbers are one of the easiest ways to personalize your wedding, and 90% of brides overlook how much they actually show up in their photos. So today, I'm gonna be sharing the cutest DIY table numbers that look expensive, but are so budget friendly. Welcome back to the Ashley Diaries. I love DIY projects that don't look DIY, and table numbers are the perfect place to add personality without spending a fortune. These ideas are definitely Pinterest approved, photographer approved, and guest approved. You might think table numbers are small, but they appear in reception detail shots, flat lays, guest photos, candid videos, and even your wedding album. According to The Knot, 92% of couples personalize their table numbers now, so you're not gonna wanna skip this. This is what we did. In each of our tables, we had a baby photo of my husband and I. People loved this idea. It was nostalgic, personal, and hilarious. The photos definitely sparked conversations and instantly, especially on the tables where family members would bring up a story of, oh, I remember this picture when they were younger. Like, it was definitely a conversation starter. Older relatives were pointing at each picture and sharing childhood stories. It cost under $5 to print and frame everything because I used Canva for all of my photos and templates, and then I just went ahead and bought like cheaper wedding frames. It all cost me $5 or less to put this all together. I'll go ahead and show you guys the template in the description below to see if you would like to use the template on Canva or a similar template. I've also seen really creative ideas with table numbers. I've seen other couples have where each table is like a destination that they've traveled together. So I've seen some people put photos of where they traveled. So if they went, like, table 1 can be table Paris, another table can be table Maui, another table can be table Tokyo. So I think this is also a great way to incorporate conversation starters and give that personal touch. And obviously, if you enjoyed this idea, you can add like a short sentence about the memory. So this is super cute for those couples who are travel fanatics. And bonus, brands like Airbnb Experiences and Away Luggage, they love to collab with the travel themed weddings. So this could be a good idea for my brides and girlies who love traveling often with their husbands and spouses. Using real Polaroids or printed faux Polaroids definitely create that like aesthetic vintage vibe. And for this, you can just easily write the table number under the image and add like a tiny note underneath. I've seen weddings do this. This is also a great way to incorporate personalization. Another big one is acrylics. So I feel like acrylic is trending hard right now. Etsy shops like Jade Forest Designs and Valerie Art Company make stunning styles for under $10. So if you're on a budget, this is a perfect option for you on Etsy. I would love for you guys to comment down below which table number idea is your vibe. And if you did the same option that my husband and I did, I would love to know in the comments below, and you can show me videos or pictures of how it turned out. I would love to see all that. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more wedding DIY tips. Love you guys.